What an absolutely beautiful pixie makeover. I love the color, the overall shape. This is just flawless, absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So if you are in need of some major hair inspiration and you're looking to make a major hair change, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, all that beautiful long hair gone into this stunning asymmetrical pixie style. Such a gorgeous and dramatic makeover. I absolutely love the shape of this pixie. So unique and modern. So next up, we see someone with a shoulder length hair. She ends up getting the hair cut into a nice blunt bob style. Gorgeous, and this does feature more of that mini bob shape that's really trending right now. Very cute transformation. Next up, we see someone with hair just above the shoulders. Looks like she might be there for a cut refresh. Oh, the stylist does a very beautiful, dramatic, angled pixie bob style. Really cute. I love the exaggeration of the lines. Very cool. Next up, we follow someone into the salon. These are always my favorite to watch. I love watching people head to the salon and getting their hair done. Oh, she's getting a buzz cut here. Wow. She is definitely in shock, but she looks beautiful. Next up, we see someone with hair around shoulder length. Oh, beautiful pixie. I love the color. It actually matches the stylish shirt. Beautiful mix of purple and black. So much height and volume within that pixie as well. Next up, it looks like we have some color being done. Beautiful curly hair. And it looks like she got a nice little shaggy cut with the bangs going there in the front. I love the color as well. Next up, we see a long braid being cut off. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.